Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching HTML and HTML format, but we will start with the basic page setup. The next episode we'll go into what to put in and what each thing does. Today we will learn how to save it. So without further ado, let's get this started. So in order to write, you have to create what's called a tag. And tag consists of this and this, and then whatever tag you want in the middle. For instance, we're going to create an HTML tag by putting HTML, as you can see there. You do not have to do it in caps, it does not matter, however it looks more professional, in my opinion. So we're going to make a couple more tags. Next tag is going to be and also you might want to put a couple of spaces, that way you can, have space. Next tag we're going to create is called title tag. Basically this will, I'll show you what it's for later. So and you're gonna want to skip a couple of spaces, and you're gonna want to close this tag by doing slash, well, the arrow slash, then title. Then you're going to want to skip a couple of spaces and create a body tag. There we go, we have our body tag created. And then you're going to want to skip some spaces. I like skip a lot. You're going to want to close this body tag by doing the arrow slash body and then arrow. And then you're going to want to close your HTML tag. Sorry guys, my allergies, you know how bad allergies can be. Okay, so now we have the basic format set up and ready to go. So now we're going to go ahead and put in a little bit of wording, there we go. And we're going to create a title. Just for time and argument's sake, I'm going to set the title as test HTML, and this title is going to be a little area at the top that is normally on a web page that you see up here. The body is what's in the main part, the text. So let's go, this is just a test, and this will be what's in the main. But of course I'm a failure. You don't have to do this, but I like doing it. It makes it look more professional by putting P, which stands for paragraph, which is paragraph format. And then you have to close the tag by doing the same thing as you would normally do to close the tag, but with this different thing. Okay, so this is basically your basic setup. So now I'm going to go over how to save this as file. So you're going to do save as, and I'm going to save this to my desktop so it's easier to find. You see where it says txt? You don't want to save as a text document, which that's what txt stands for. Instead, you're going to go down here where it says save type, and you're going to go to all files, and then you're going to click, and then you're going to put, well, index is the first page of a website that you see, so I'm going to save this as index.html. So to prove to you that this works, I'm going to minimize this, and you see how this says a little internet icon. I'm sorry about that. See, look, you can see that test HTML, that's where your title is. And you can see this is a test. Now you're probably wondering how you can make this bold or something else like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over headers. So in there are a total of 6 headers you can do. H1 being the darkest, which is header 1. As you can see, and then you can do that for the H1, and then you're gonna close H1 tag, which is the header 1. But you can go down and it will be darker, or you can make it lighter if you want by making it H2. And then I'm just gonna copy and paste this because I don't feel like typing it. And then you have to close the H2 tag. Oops, wrong way. Okay, so you can do this all the way to H6. So to prove to you that this works, I'm going to do File, and I'm going to save this. And then I'm going to pause this real quick. Alright, so now I'm back and I am over here. As you can see, this still says this is a test. But if I press F5, it says, as you see, it's bold and dark. So you can do this up to 6. So in the next episode, I'm going to go over how to center it, how to make it go left, right, and other things. Keep in mind, HTML is what's called to fill the white space. Now, if you want to insert other things to make it look something like this, or like this, or even like this, you need you need to learn some other type of coding. This is to fill the white space. As you can see, this is just for text right now. We can add pictures, and I will go over how to do that probably in a later episode though. So I just want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.